Lost alert, check your altitude, Tampa's altimeter 3014.
3014, thank you, Southwest 425.
And Southwest 425, you plan to go around?
Yeah, we have to go Southwest 425.
South 425, Roger, transport clearance. Go around runway 10 for now. You can fly runway heading and climb and maintain 1,600.
1,600, we're going around Southwest 425.
Fly your press heading and climb and maintain 3,000. 1256, turn left at November 2 and contact ground point 7. How was your ride on funnel?
Alright, November 2.7, Southwest 1256. Actually, 3 miles and in was moderate rain and just a light chop. The bad stuff is probably 5, 6, 7 miles out.
Okay, roger that. Thank you.